What's up guys, I'm Shooting Dave, and in my last video I said I'm going to LA. Well, I'm here. Welcome to Los Angeles. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since about 5, that's jet lag for you. And I've come to Angels Crest Highway, which is probably my favourite road that I've ever driven so far. Massive thanks to Hertz, they've hooked me up with a Chrysler 300C. It's a pretty awesome car. Bit heavy for these roads, but what are you going to do? So yeah, I'm out here for work. I'll be working at the Taylor James LA studio. And on the weekends and evenings I'm going to try and explore as much as I can. So I hope you enjoy this little vlog of what LA's like. We're going to be going to Joshua Tree, maybe Disneyland, who knows. So I've not really been up to much since my little drive up the Angels Crest Highway. I've kind of just been settling in with work really. Our office is inside Therapy Studios in basically Culver City, and it's a super slick building, much nicer than our London office, I have to say. My wife's turning up tomorrow, which I'm super excited about, so we're going to meet her from the airport. She'll probably be a bit tired, so probably going to get some food and just chill out for the evening.
There she is.
And then on the Saturday we're going down to Joshua Tree. So a bit of a road trip, which I'm really excited about. It's we're going out to the desert, so nice and far away from the light pollution, so should be able to get some pretty sick astrophotography. In the meantime, I've been taking the Chrysler 300C out for a couple of shoots. I shot one in the alley behind work, which is pretty cool. And I went back up to Angels Crest Highway last night to photograph the car out underneath the stars. Now there's some high altitude clouds, so it kind of spoiled the look a little bit, but I'm pretty happy. There is some stars in there, so I'll drop that in and you guys can have a little look at that. So I'm back at the apartment now, so I figured I'll just give you a little look around. So this is a view that you get as you walk in through the front door. You've got my little YouTube station down here. You've got living room. Behind us we got a nice big kitchen over here, which is pretty standard, and then we got spare room, which is my charge station, my room, little walk-in closet, which is pretty cool, excuse the dirty laundry, and bathroom. LA update, we've come to Venice Beach.
And it's windy.
Oh yeah. LA update. We are off to Joshua Tree today. Bad, right? Then it's short climb. LA update. We're back at the Joshua Tree Inn. We've just spent the afternoon in Joshua Tree National Park itself. It is just incredible out there. The landscape is phenomenal. We only saw probably about a third of it, maybe not even that. And yeah, we went exploring through the rocks and just had a bit of fun taking some photos and just enjoying ourselves. It's really nice to be out in the open and in the sun. The landscape's phenomenal, man. Like, I've never seen anything like that. And it's part of America that I've always wanted to go and see as well. So after that, we came back to the hotel, dropped our stuff off. We then went for dinner at the Crossroads, where we had like some quesadillas and some tacos. Recommend that a lot. Now we've come back to the hotel to chill out for a bit. I'm packing up some gear, and Amy's just having a little nap. And then we'll go back into the park to try and get some star photos, and hopefully we get something pretty decent. I'm not going to take you guys with us because it's going to be, well, it's pitch black outside. You won't see anything anyway. But I'll drop in some photos once I've got some. See you in a bit.
So short.
So we're at Key View. What do you make of it?
beautiful, but bloody freezing.
It is freezing up here, but the views are spectacular. It's well worth a visit, but bring more layers. I'm in shorts and a hoodie and I'm dying right now.
Yeah.
Let's get back in the car, it's too cold. LA update. Found the dinosaurs. Amy's very excited about this place. There's another one there. Instead of testicles, he has lights. Poor guy. So excited about this. Look how fat the T-Rex is though.
It's funny.
He's got a right punch on him.
Oh, leave him alone.
LA update. We are in Santa Monica. LA update, and this time it's without Amy. Sadly, she's gone back to London now, so that means I'm all here by myself. So for her last day, I took her up to the Griffith Observatory. Well recommend that spot if you've not been before, or you're just visiting LA for the first time. It is definitely worth a look. You've got the Hollywood sign, you've got downtown LA, you've got the mountains, you've got a nice little hike, and you can also see the ocean, so well worth a look up there. And then we went for In-N-Out, for Amy's last In-N-Out before flying home, and then sadly it's to the airport, and now she's back in London. So that means I'm here by myself. So on the Sunday I decided to spend some time photographing the Chrysler 300S for Hertz. So I took it to downtown LA to shoot in Lower Grand. Now if you don't know what Lower Grand is, it's basically a tunnel network underneath the city. It's kind of Batman Returns vibe, that where you've got like the dark tunnels with light pooling in. It's super cool anyway. So you've got these big openings in the ceiling, and they let in a load of light, and you get this nice contrast between light and shadow. So it's kind of fun to place the car in these contrasting areas to get some interesting looking lighting. So I spent about an hour there shooting, and it was a lot of fun. Before then I decided to take it to the art district of downtown LA. Now for those of you who don't know what the art district is, it's like Shoreditch in East London if you've been there. So kind of like lots of hipster shops, lots of pizza and coffee places and some taco places, super cool, loads of graffiti and loads of art up on the walls. It's just basically a great area to kind of have a look. And so that's really it. Other than that, I'm not really up to a great deal this week. I'm at work, going to go and see a few clients. I do have a photo shoot penciled in for Thursday night, so fingers crossed that one comes through. I'm not going to tell you about it just yet because it's quite a special one and I might talk about it in its own video. So that's it from me from LA. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.